Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about how to write a program to check if number is Armstrong number or not in a Python. So what is Armstrong number? Armstrong number is sum of its own digit, each raised to the power of number of digit. So what it means, Armstrong number is basically sum of nth power of its digit which equal to the same number itself, or we can say number itself. So for example, we are taking the number 153, then number length is 1, the number length is 3. So we need to calculate the nth power of its digit, where n is nothing but the length of the number. So here we have taken the number 153 which length is 3. So we are calculating third power of each digit and calculating the sum for each digit, and which is equal to the number itself. Okay, and if number is having the 4 digit, then our power is 4. So we need to calculate fourth power for each digit and calculate the sum for that each value after calculating the fourth power of each digit, and whatever number we will get, that number is equal to the number itself, whatever we have taken the number. Okay, so this is basically Armstrong number. Let's take an example of Armstrong number, how to write a program. So first of all, we have taken the input from the user, and so we can get the value of a number from the user. And as we know, input method is always returning us the string value, so we don't need to convert it into the integer, because we need to calculate the each and every digit nth power. Okay, and after that I have taken the length of the number. So as our number is in string format, so we can calculate the length of the number, and length of the number is basically we are using to calculate the nth power of its digits, right? And after that I have taken the total number. Total variable is equal to 0, which is basically a number, uh, basically storing the number after calculating the nth power of digit and sum of that digits. Next one is for loop, and this for loop will basically giving us each and every digit from the string. So how this for loop will iterate? So at the first iteration, if our number is 153, at the first iteration we will get the number 1, and here I am converting that number into the integer because this number is in string format. Okay, so whatever digit we will get, that is also in a string. So if we want to calculate the power of this number, then we need to convert it into the integer, right? So in the first iteration, ith value is 1, and length is, our number length is 153. So our 153 is 3 digits are available in number, so length will be 3. So 1 power 3 is nothing but 3, and total number is 0. So sorry, 1 power 3 is nothing but 1, and total is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. At the first iteration your total value will be 1. At this, in the second iteration, you will get the value as a 5 in the I variable, and which will calculate the 5 power 3. 5 power 3 is nothing but 125, and which will be added in total value. So total value at the previous iteration we will get is 1. So 1 plus 25, which will stored into the total, and at the last iteration we will get the value as a 3, and what will be the power of 3 as our length is 3, so that is nothing but 27. So whenever we are summing this 3 value, we will get the sum of 3 value which will stored in the total. So this 126 was stored at the last iteration, and now we are adding 27 to it, so that is nothing but 153, right? And now we are checking if total whatever value we have calculated after this cube of each digit or nth power of each digit, and calculated the sum of that value which is matching with entered number or not. Okay, so if they are matching, yes they are matching, so that's why that is Armstrong number. If they will not match, this total number will not match with entered number, okay, then we can say that is not an Armstrong number. So let's run this program and see if 153 is Armstrong number or not. Yes, it is Armstrong number. And let's check another number, 168. So that is not an Armstrong number. And if we are giving the number with 4 digit, then that is also an Armstrong number. For 4 digit our length will be 4, so that power of each digit will be 4, so that will be the sum of fourth power of each digit, right? So this is how we can calculate the Armstrong number. I hope you have understood the concept of Armstrong number. Thank you. See you in the next video.